we've officially checked out of the Kodak Sevierville Holiday Inn Suites. We stayed in one of the big suites this time. And literally all we did was move the truck over. And now we're going into BassProShop. And honestly, we're just going to look around because the kids want to see. You want to see what?
Waterfalls, catfish.
I love these pretty flowers out front. Daisies are Madeline's favorite, right? Daisies are still your favorite flower, right? I just love walking up to this place. It just looks so cool.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Like, look at the lanterns.
Whoa, that's you don't see on the outside of every one.
Yeah, look at the lanterns, the water feature, the fish on the ground. Above the door, big massive doors.
Oh, smell it glowing.
In the sun or winter, this is lit up. Big massive fireplace. I love the first thing you see when you walk in is toys. Oh, and then there's jewelry. I know. Come on, let's follow Dad. I know. Ooh, they have kitchen stuff. What?
Rebecca, ooh, toys. Me, ooh, jewelry. You, ooh, kitchen stuff.
And then they have ladies apparel. I'm convinced they have all this stuff at the front. The ladies are like, oh, you know, we'll just stay here and y'all go buy whatever you want as long as we get to stay here. I think that's the goal. Here's the waterfalls.
Whoa.
There's a little one right here by the bear, but then check this one out.
Whoa, there's a bridge.
There is a bridge. Yeah, check this out. Goes all the way from the top down to here in this massive aquarium. What did you just call that?
A
A
water unicorn.
water unicorn. Sarah wants to know what the water unicorn is, honey.
That is a gar.
Can you say gar?
A gar.
A gar.
A gar.
Sounds like it was named by a pirate. That's be a gar. See the catfish in the bottom?
Look, see.
See the catfish in the back?
Whoa. I'd like to eat him for dinner.
They're what? Trout. I've never been trout fishing. I'm curious, but isn't it a type of fly fishing though?
Doesn't have to be now.
Doesn't have to be. See, I've never been fly fishing either. Technically, you can be behind a waterfall here. A little less leg work. Grotto Falls was still really cool though, you know it?
I could really have a better day today.
Look at these grouped up over here. Just out of funny and curiosity, are those grouper or no? Right here.
Those are bluegill.
Okay. They're what?
Bluegill.
They're massive.
Bluegills are bait fish.
No, those are actually crappie.
Okay. Can you eat those?
Yes, they're very good. One of my favorites.
What are we looking at? No tossing coins.
Somebody didn't listen. There's a quarter right over there.
I see it. I think they're stuffed black bears. You can come look. You can't touch. Yeah. Usually when there's stuff like that, they find them dead naturally in the wild. If they're real. I'm actually not good at telling if they're real or not. Look up on the wall. Up here. All the way around.
That's so cute.
If you ever redecorated your room, you'd want one of those, wouldn't you? Go on in. Sarah, push the 2 on your way over here.
Alright, now look at them.
Yeah, just come stand over here.
Oh, look, you can see fish. Look, there's a bear. And a deer. And some mountain goats up there. Whoa, look. Down there. Oh,
Yep, you can see down there.
I can't believe people put money in there. I want to pet it.
Don't touch.